now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Afsister. Today's wig is their knot-free wig, and they say that creating this wig is like creating 2 to 3 regular wigs. So I'm going to show you up close how the knots look. You don't have to bleach or anything like that. They have like single knotted, the knots, they're not bleached, but they're so thin, like they're so like small that you can't see anything. This wig I literally put it on in 2.5 seconds because I'm doing my glueless method with the Ebon lace melt spray. This wig being knot free makes it super easy to melt into your skin, so you're gonna see throughout the install. Once I put it on, I really didn't need to put any color in it, but I wanted to make sure that it looked as seamless as possible, so that's why I put color. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I install this wig, how I did the side part, everything like that, let's get right into this video.
Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Missus, I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Missus, I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston, and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I gotta protect you when you feel you're in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, no, I know, I can't let you go. I know. Missus, I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Missus, I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Running with my friends.
Okay guys, let me know down below if you like this wig, if you feel like this. And also, I was like brushing it out and stuff, and the only shedding I got was really from me cutting my ear tabs and like cutting off the hair to make the new hairline, because I made a new hairline at the front. And that was basically the shedding that I got. I'm like, me just running my fingers through right now, I'm not getting no shedding. And I did not wash it, I just installed it straight out the packaging. So this is the luster of it straight out of the packaging. Like, look at that. It's just like falling. I love when the hair falls like this, because you know sometimes straight hair tends to bulk up and look crazy, like tangly already, but it's not giving me that vibe. So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting this no knot wig, they really did a good job with the lace and everything. The lace goes all the way back here, so you have enough parting space in this wig. I will have this wig linked down below if you guys are interested. I'm also going to turn around so you guys can see the back. I have my little ponytail in the back, so hopefully it's not looking bulky. So if you guys are interested, I will have all Afsister links down below. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on this wig. This is the ends of the wig. And yeah, thank you so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. I need equity to sign a deal. Over buying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case to get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I shoot a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it work, gotta double the